This man Desmond trying to complete a side quest. We gotta get this XP for the side quest, bro.
Yeah, you already know.
My boy Desmond doing upgrades.
Hell yeah, you already know.
If only you was a girl, you could throw your bra in the air.
I got this shit recorded too.
How you feel about that first race, bro?
This nigga needs to do better, bro. He said we were gonna go on go. I didn't know he was gonna do this.
Yeah. How you feel about that first race, bro?
Hey, it was amazing. I'll tell you that.
There's nothing he can do. He's slamming on the gas.
How much is
Look at this joint.
That's $60. Simple. Pull the tag.
Where the tag at? We scanning this. We're exposing this. What the fuck? I know it's Calvin Clean, but I never seen a Calvin Clean doing this.
Yeah, this ain't worth $400. They still in their money.
This better be like pure cotton or something, like pure sheep wool.
Pure. Ain't no way. Guess how much this is, Tommy? 50 something. He said how much? 50 something.
He said 50.
That's a lot. You dropping bread on this? You copping a jerk? No.
Nigga, that's two tires. No, that's 2 rims, bro. 2 rims.
Nah, fact. That's a car payment.
That's a car payment. Nigga, yeah.
Bro, that's a whole intake.
I'm just saying.
That is a whole intake. Oh, hey, John.
Yeah, all right, bet.
Guess the price off this.
Yes?
Yeah, guess the price.
But it's probably like toxic, so I'm gonna say 120.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. It's toxic. It's toxic. This is basically
Hey, bro.
Where's that manager?
Huh? I think that's women's.
That's women's, right?
Put my foot stain on
It
it.
is not worth $400.
You too, look what came in today. You know what I'm saying? Just to check out the part. Hold on for a moment. I have done it. I have bought it. Look at that X-Pipe-y. And choosing between an H-pipe or an X-pipe. I just went X-pipe because I feel like this will give it the more aggressive sound. Let's go ahead and go to my boy's place and get it installed. Simple. Oh shit, I'm scared. Sounds a little different.
Sounds good.
Sounds more aggressive. And that was crazy. That's allowed idle. Yeah, that's allowed in what do you say? That boy Song did a good ass job.
I can't fix these cars without
Appreciate you.
cutting myself sometimes.
You cut yourself?
Every single time.
Yeah, and you had metal shavings on this joint too from cutting it. We just installed the X pipe on the GT. Hope you all enjoy those clips. This joint is screaming, man. Tell them quit playing with me. I'm about to go have some fun in this joint. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. We about to go stupid. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, YouTube. So it is the next day, bro. So we installed the X pipe, bro. So what I want you to do right now is to like up this video, subscribe, bro. If you think this channel could be the next big thing, you feel me? We're going up. 2024, we're going up, bro. We're going up. Only elevating, and the ones who elevate with us is gonna stay with us. Simple. Don't get left behind. Don't get left behind, bro. We better go stupid. Look at bro. Another Mustang pulling up. Ha 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 ha. But yeah, man. So if y'all been messing with the videos, if y'all been watching the videos, bro, let me know how y'all think about these videos and how editing and all that. Hey, man, the videos just gonna get better, bro. The videos are just gonna get better, bro. So, hey, join me on this journey to paradise, bro. And I got y'all, bro. Whatever y'all want me to do, I got y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? Trust me, I got y'all, bro. Straight Wrld in his own world. About to dip, bro. Make sure y'all have a good day, good blessed day. Make sure you get up off your ass and go do something. You know what I'm saying? Go do something to your next goal, bro. Simple, bro. Go crazy, my boy. Girl, go crazy. Go crazy. It's time to go crazy. 2024, we going crazy, bro. End off 2023 on a good note, bro. You know what I'm saying? We out, bro.